answer to it all. Everyone knows and nobody believes it. When will you have your wake-up call? Tear down the walls. This is reality. Can't stop the fall. You will clarity. Change everything. It's the only way to regain your sanity. Don't wanna hear, say there's no other way. There's just no other way. Stop pretend. Just be yourself. And learn to wake up, learn to live in your life.
Within the void, there is no salvation. Forget to forgive is the only solution.
Tear down the walls. This is reality. Can't stop the fall. You will clarity. Change everything. It's the only way to regain your sanity. Don't wanna hear, say there's no other way. There's just no other way. Stop pretend. Just be yourself. And learn to wake up, learn to live in your life. I don't wanna hear, say there's no other way. There's just no other way. Stop pretend. Just be yourself. And learn to wake up, learn to live in your life. To live in your life. I want you to know that you're in this alone. Don't tell in your lies and go on as we go. I want you to know all the hate has to flow. So fuck everything that you stand for right now. All we have is right here and right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna hear, say there's no